Cosmetics and makeup have become an essential component of our daily life. Highlighters and eyeshadows are popular cosmetic items nowadays because of their glow. Many individuals, however, are ignorant of what goes on behind the scenes of such items. Mica may be found in a variety of common cosmetics, including nail polish and lipstick. Welcome to MetaMagics. What is mica? Mica is a layered mineral with an iridescent silicate structure. It has several features and uses. Because of its great thermal resistance, it is a good industrial insulation material. It is usually found combined with granite or rocks that resemble crystals, and it is well known for its application in daily items such as paint, electronics, and cosmetics. Because of its shining, sparkly look, it is great for cosmetics. Because of their reflecting qualities, mineral foundations can have a shimmering appearance. Mica splittings are mined and processed into several mica goods. This method produces built-up mica and sheet mica, both of which have several uses in a variety of contexts. Mica mining is a negative facet of the material. India is a significant supply of mica to the rest of the globe. India alone accounts for a sizable percentage of the world's mica splitting and block mica exports. The Indian state of Jharkhand possesses the world's greatest resources of mica, but poverty in the region has led to widespread child labor in mining. The neighboring Sanful tribe is solely dependent on mica mining for a living. Mines use children as young as 5 years old to extract the material. Even cosmetic businesses committed to cleaning up their mica supply chains struggled in July 2016 due to the difficulties in tracking the mineral's genuine origins. Mica is obtained through middlemen, resulting in the mixing of legal and illicit mica, which is then sold to processing businesses. While turbulent socioeconomic circumstances compound the situation, the excavated raw material will be gathered by a broker, who will then sell it to an exporter, who will then send it to a factory, most likely in China. It is then processed into fine, pearly pigment that is purchased by worldwide cosmetic businesses to lend a reflecting look to eyeshadow, blush, lipstick, and other products. In August 2019, a couple was buried and died after a mica mine collapsed in the Kaderma district's Sant Ganwa region, where the husband and wife were gathering mica scrap. In 2016, 6 children died in mica mines during a 3-month period. A survey by Ranki-based, non-profit Child in Need Institute, titled Child Labor in Mica Mines in Kaderma and Giridih districts of Jharkhand, discovered 45 documented deaths related to mica mine accidents over a 5-year period. According to unsubstantiated accounts, 10 to 20 people are murdered each month in mica tunnel failures. Despite the fact that mica mining is illegal in Jharkhand, local peasants continue to descend into mines in quest of mica scrap in the absence of any other source of income. Share your thoughts about the dark secret of makeup products. Share this video for the awareness. Thank you. Stay connected to know more about the interesting truths about the world.